Hey guys, I just woke up from my nap and I was like, what can I do? I was gonna do some makeup, and then this is the weather at the moment. It's currently snowing around the state and I don't have any snow, which is not fair. Look at it. It's so rainy. And you know, I thought to myself, I really do not feel like doing makeup. Like, it is freezing, it's raining, so I thought I would like do like a kind of chill with me on a rainy night, and I'll show you what I'm gonna do instead. You know, like a little nice cozy winter video, you know? Love that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this is how it looks outside. But yeah, let's go back inside because I'm freezing. We have a wood fire, which is so nice, or a wood heater or whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do is load up my wood heater. Okay, so I've just got the fire, so that should take off a bit in a minute. But I'm just going to go to my mum and dad's room because they aren't home yet, so I'll turn the heater on. Hello, little Fred. This is our cat Freddy. Hi baby. I'll show you Jim. Hello Jimmy. How are you, darling? So they leave the window open in the day for the boys, so I'm gonna close that because it's freezing. And I'm gonna turn the heater on so it's nice and warm for when they get home. They just have a little fan heater. Next, let's choose a candle for tonight. I want something really warm. We have like cinnamon sugar donut, raspberry caramel. The one I was burning today is vanilla pumpkin marshmallow, but I think it's done now. I got right to the bottom. And I think you meant to leave like a little bit in the bottom, which makes me so sad. But I'm also glad I used it up. Ooh, I think tonight we'll take, what should we take? Cinnamon donut? Oh, there's pumpkin gingerbread. I'm gonna have to smell them and decide. I decided to go for pumpkin gingerbread. This one is by Bath and Body Works, but this is from like 2014. So unfortunately, I don't think they're selling this at the moment, at least not on the Australian site. But yeah, you guys will know when they do because I'm gonna do a haul. I really seem to like the pumpkin scents. Like, this is pumpkin gingerbread and this was vanilla pumpkin marshmallow. Like, this smells so good. I don't know what they put in it, but it's amazing. But yeah, anyway, so got that done now, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of editing. My video is actually meant to go up like really soon, so I've been a little bit slack, but yeah, I'm gonna edit my video now, and then upload that. Still editing my video, but my dad just got home, and I feel like it looks like it's snowing. I can't tell if it's hail or snow. Look at it though, like, can you see that? You can see that. Is that snow or hail?
No!
Is it really? Oh shit, hang on.
Hey!
Is it really?
Yeah. It's drying the snow. I'll take that in, yeah. Oh, thanks. It's like slushy.
Oh my god, look at it pop! Wow, it's snowing. That is so cute. You never get snow. I don't know why, it's always freezing here. Oh my god, it's like a winter wonderland. I want it to like settle on the ground though. It's not. That is so cute though. Oh my god. Wow. Look at it. I feel like we get really fascinated by snow because the last time we had snow was like a good 5 or so years ago, I think. Holy hell, it's coming down. Look, I'm gonna try and... There it is. You see it? Oh my god, it scared the shit out of me, Bob. You see the snow? time for the baby to come in. Come on, darling. She might have liked to watch it, Pop.
I don't think she cares.
Oh, it's so pretty, Pop. He doesn't care, he's gone. I'm like just so fascinated. Wow. It's cool that like some parts of the world this happens like every day. You know? This is just so cool. Love it! Wow. Look at it. Alright, I need to finish my video, otherwise you guys might not be very happy if I miss my upload because I was in the snow. Oh, I wanna like, can you like see that? I don't know if you can see that. That is so cute. Love it. Okay. Alright, I need to go inside now. It stopped snowing and I'm actually like so devastated. I'm so sad. I thought like tomorrow I was gonna wake up and it was gonna be like winter wonderland, you know. But anyway, my dad's just gone down to get my nephew from school. Tilly's with me because it's too cold. Isn't it, baby? Did you see all the snow? Did you see the snow, beautiful girl? What did you think? She wanted to do a poo on it, so it was snowing and she ran outside and did a poo. Didn't you, baby? And had to get all the ice off you because you went out while it's snowing. Silly girl. Alright, so I've finished editing my video now and it's just exporting to be uploaded. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm gonna watch some YouTube. This was what I was watching before I had my nap, but I'm gonna watch some Bailey Sarian because she is my new obsession at the moment. I recently found her and I love her videos. I love them. She just hit 2 million subscribers, which is awesome. It's cool because I'm in like some of the comments of her videos that I'm watching because they're from like, I don't know, like a year ago or like a couple months ago. They're like, I can't believe you don't have 1 million followers, and now it's like you have 2 million. Like, I don't know, it's just really cool. But anyway, I'm gonna choose a video of hers to watch. I'm gonna upload my video and then yeah, I'm going with my friend to do her groceries soon, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get pizza for tea. That's what I feel like. But yeah, anyway, see you guys soon. My nephew just got here. Hi, beautiful. How are you?
Well, Tilly was behind my bum, smelling my bum.
She smelled your bum?
Yes.
That's yuck. How was school? She's very excited to see you.
I was trying to kiss her, but I didn't know how to kiss her, so kind of hard by me because I didn't know how to kiss me again.
Who, Tilly?
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't know how to kiss, does she? Hey, how was school? Did you see the snow before?
Yeah, the rain was turning into snow.
How cool was that?
It's so funny.
Did you know Poppy was picking you up?
Yeah.
You excited?
Ow. Tilly. Puppy, can I be on back?
Yep.
What is
Okay, I just uploaded my video. It's going up at 5, so in half an hour. So now I'm just gonna watch the rest of my video and wait for my friend. Okay, so I just went down to Coles and Domino's with my friend. I don't know why I keep calling her my friend, like it sounds weird. Her name's Abby. But I'm just gonna hop into bed now. I'm gonna watch some Friends. I got my tea. So I got some brownies from Domino's. They honestly kind of look awful and they look like they've burnt them, so hopefully they're okay. But anyway, then I got a thick shake and also my pizza, which is pepperoni pizza with hollandaise. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm gonna get into bed. I was gonna do some skincare and stuff tonight and film another video, but I have the worst headache, so I think I'm just gonna get into bed and relax. Tilly's just having her tea, and then I'll bring her in as well after I finish my tea, and we'll go to bed. So yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, so I finished tea now. I'm gonna go get Tilly in, and then I'm gonna edit this video and get ready to upload it tomorrow. Yeah, so there'll probably only be one video tomorrow. I feel really bad, but I just have the worst headache. I was gonna do a skincare first impression, but I'm in too much pain. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was fun for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!